All right, we have two homework assignments for this section. One, spend time to reflect and write about what you want from trading. If you have our journal, we do have a quarters goal section. You could write there what you want to get from trading for this quarter. But if you want to do this exercise for more than just trading and your life, that is when I highly recommend you just get a normal basic line journal. So you could write everything, clear your mind, get all your emotions out on paper, and I'm telling you, the clarity, you're just gonna have purpose, guidance, a path to aim for now. Homework number 2, that is the reflection part in here, as well as if you just want to write on your own, is you're gonna write about your emotions you feel during and after trading. Understand them and how you can guide them to push your emotions away. This is going to take practice and something you're going to journal over and over again. So these homework assignments are almost ongoing homework assignments. It's not something you just do once, but do it over and over again and build it into your trading plan, and you're going to have a lot of success. So that is your homework assignment. We'll see you in the next section where we start building our trading plan and wrapping up becoming a trader course.